Hi, the other day I tried to open the YouTube ad in my Android phone and it won't load and it shut off. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem if you have a phone running Android. Here let me show you the example of the YouTube app trying to load and then boom, it shut off. I restarted the phone, hope it will fix the problem and try again and then boom, the YouTube shut off again. So how do I fix the problems? Let me show you how to do it. First go to the top, pull down the menu and you will see an icon like system. Click on the icon, then look for app and notification, click on it. In my case, it will load up YouTube app on the left hand corner. If you don't see it, you have to click on all apps and then scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the YouTube app and click on it, and you will see a different screen pop up and you will see storage and cache in the middle, and click on that also. A different screen pop up. Here you will see user data cache, and what I do is click on clear cache on the right side. It will clean up all the cache. Next is to click clear storage, and then it says delete app data. Click OK. After that you will see both user data and cache are 0 byte. And hit the left top corner arrow 2 times and exit. Keep hitting exit again until you reach the main screen. And when you see the YouTube icon, click on it again, see what happens. If it load up and run, everything fine. If not, like my case, doesn't work, and I have to go to the second way to fix the problem, which you have to go to the Play Store, click on it, wait until the page load up, go to the bottom middle, hit search. Then on top of the screen, you'll see search app and games, type in YouTube. It will pop out a YouTube icon with the button open. Do not hit the open button. Instead, hit the YouTube icon. Click on it. Another page will load up and you'll see under YouTube icon uninstall and open. Click the uninstall button and you will uninstall the update. And after that, you hit the update button and it will update the file. Wait for it to download the update until it finishes download. It will go to install and just wait until it all finishes. It may take a while for me, maybe about a minute. Yours may be faster because I'm using the old phone. After installing is done, then you will see an open icon light up. Click on it and it will load up to YouTube to see if it works or not. I'm loading, voila, it works. That's how I fix YouTube not loading problems. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. See you later.